Yeah, but we can play with Nabat, Thomas.
I want the audience. I need you said you too much.
Yes, I'm too much.
Yeah, let's go. I mean, this game of yours should have been done by now.
It's 80 now, dog.
80 minutes. Are you still leading?
Duh.
Duh.
Yeah. I mean, like, how can you ask me that, dog?
You know, people always ask me how many phones I have. I think I got Samsung, more telephone. How about you waiting, man?
Dog, I'm almost done. It's 86 minutes now.
Yeah, but update us. Oh, 86 minutes.
Yeah. Oh, fuck. FIFA.
Did he equalize?
No. I saved. Juan Kapao. Juan Kapa Shab. Juan Kapa Mare. Yeah, but Tumuting.
Capo, I just saw your tweet now saying losing weight. Think you must say,
You're gonna go back there now.
Capo, how much do you weigh now?
81.
Because I remember last time when we were on Insta Live, you were weighing how much were you weighing last time?
I'm a brag. I didn't tell you.
I was calling, fuck him. Huh? So how much did you weigh last time when you were speaking to me on Insta Live?
Send me the invitation again, dog. Just call Chab and tell him, Hore, I'm gonna play with him later.
Dog, man, put him calling and he sees that I'm live. I don't know what the fucking problem is, bro.
What?
And we don't put attention over him.
Are, doesn't put like a Chaba. For last Chaba, I'm telling him to a hard and to him, because you forcing me. With you on this.
Why the fuck is Putako calling me, bro?
My phone. About that, he don't want to turn a loan. I grow in again.
Means what out to Melabanyana. Offered again. I'm inviting you.
Yeah, it's okay, bro. Just do your thing, man. But why is my Insta live?
I just invited you. Let's go, Capizi. Let's go. I'm not doing too much.
Refilo, let me just try and go in Kananyaga Sherere, though.
Sherere, man. Sherere na di fair, man.
Yeah, man. Wanyela Sherere, I'm right. I don't care actually.
Okay, try. You think it's your account? It's not your account. It's your network, man.
Are you sure? Let me just try with Sherere's thing.
But now, how do I search with the thing? Okay, do it quickly and then comment so I can fetch the thing.
Sure.
We're waiting for Sherere now. I thought Sherere was someone else. Kandi Sherere is Capo. Now we know that Sherere is Capo. Limpopo boy just joined. The dancer, yo, that guy is too much. Yo. Limpopo boy was jive. Sherere. Senatesa network, yo, doggy dog. Pero Senatesa network. Can we also see the screen? You know what? These people fucked up my situation that holds my phone, right? So I'm using a fucking thing right now. A chair. All right. Capo, then get with Shirere's thing then so we can do this. Where's Sherere now? Sherere, that's what Innocent says. Sherere. Capo, let's go, bro. Anyway, the game is about to start. I'm waiting for Capo to pick his situation. He must pick his kit, and then we need to get him. Let's go. Capo, we waiting. Where's Sherere now? Where's Sherere? Hey. I need to play this one safe, Joe. I won't lie. Capo has improved. And the last time I played on Insta Live, I lost against Trevor Noah. I don't want that to happen again. So I need to make sure I come with the heat. So Samedo playing the right flank. I think I should put De Jong in front. Okay. Yeah, I know, right? The key to winning with FIFA, right, is never to panic. Gotta relax. Buy a tripod. Look, man, I had a situation that held my thing prop, and then buy you too easy, Joe. Where's Sherere? But Sherere commented. Guys, where's Sherere? Oh, Sherere show. Hey, you. Hey, you. I hope it shows him because I want to see his face when I beat him. Accept, Capo. Accept. The game is about to start. Capo, accept. Capo, accept. Okay, I don't think this guy's gonna accept. Anyway. All right, the game just started. I wish I had someone else to hold the camera. Okay. It's always nice to score an early goal. Ah, I missed it. Shh. Yeah. Hey! Hey! Score! Ah, just missed the goal. Capo, man, Indiana, man. So I just missed a clear goal, man. Ah, damn it. Score! Ah, man, I need an early goal. Ah, man. Fuck. Okay. Hey, yeah. Beauty. Hey, he almost scored as well. Yeah. Yo, Capo just hit the pole, guys. I don't know what this guy learned, but it's definitely working. Ah! Oh, I just missed again. Fuck! Capo. Capo needs to get on the live as well, man. It ain't no fun when it's like this. Yes! And the first goal of the match! You fucking pussy! Let's go! It was a corner. Suarez! Let's go, Suariri! All right. All right. Let's go get it. Yo, if this guy's gonna end up scoring and be looking at the phone. Yo, he's attacking. Maybe I must put it somewhere so you can see the. Hey. Ish. No. Ah. So the score is 1-0. I'm leading, of course. Okay. Oh man. Ish, I need to be careful right now. Should I maybe turn the camera so you guys see the game only? Oh! And goal number 2! Huh? Let's go. Goal number 2. It's bad now. Capizi. Huh? Near post. Siamo petali tieni. Vabbè. Ma oh, I almost gave him a goal. Let's go. Messi's on the attack on the right flank. Messi. Number 3! Let's go, Capo. You like talking shit. All right? Let's go. Let's go, Capizi. Y'all want to see? All right. So the score is 3-0 now. I'm relaxing nicely. Capizi. What y'all say? 3-0 first half. You are talking shit. Where is he? He needs to be part of this live. Capo, where are you? Yeah, I just requested Capo back on the live. Hopefully he'll accept because it's bad now. Capizi?
My man, I do not know what's going on with my fucking motherfucking. Yo, let me tell you something, Bufile.
What
Can I say something?
Yeah, show the thing, man. Show the screen. Yo, bro. I don't end the live.
It's that.
Just saying.
Fuck you, man, you bastard.
You know.
Zoom closer to the TV.
Innocent, how are you?
Goal number 4, baby. Goal number 4. Show me celebrating, innocent. I don't want to celebrate. Yeah, baby. Come on, man. I am disappointed, Capo. I am disappointed. Useless. Hi. Embarrassment. Embarrassing me. Hi. You started talking shit. I nothing. There you go. There, just right. Yeah, man. What's the problem again? Bitch. I'm celebrating too early. I must keep scoring. Then. It's offside. That's like.
Mapelumoya, my dog. Aye, useless person in the world. Person in the world. Aye. Capo wena uswaki ka FIFA. Aye.
One game. Nice game.
I was supposed to support Refilwe. I went aye. Aye, useless. Aye, useless. Aye. Whatever. But I disappoint me. 4. Not even 1.
Oh, first half. What are you doing now?
Aye, it's bad.
Huh? You should have taken your way and kept it moving. But you decided to wake up the beast. Huh? Devil! Oh my God. It's too much power. Let's to make sure.
Not even 1. Aye. Welcome. But you see the player in front of you. What are you shooting there? Aye, cause one disappoint. I was supporting you so much, but now I. 4. Ubakya kibuwe isikai. Aye.
Now you're being racist now.
Aye.
Now you're being racist now because you're getting child. Why are you calling this Brutirani?
Okay, Sekeleke, let's go. Okay, keeper, let's go. Okay, keeper, let's go. Reveal a shine 4 again. In front of people.
In front of you.
Phambi kwabantu. Mshaye nje abantu babhekile ukuthi is a useless person. Refile, I'm going with you. Share another 3, no 4.
But now, when the game was starting, you were seeing your move.
Aye, because it's useless.
I mean, your fans are leaving you, your fans.
After that, he's talking shit. Esa score next, Refile. Esa score next.
I don't want you to score, but if you start scoring, then you'll gain momentum.
Okay, oh my gosh.
Hey.
Refile, do the job, boys.
So the job is done. Now it's just
Hayi, just ukuthi nje abe nengqondo uyangithola. Just him to show him he's a small boy. Just do the right thing. Yes. Ish.
Ish.
Nothing. Nothing. Come, Refile, kuyakucela. Just do the job, Refile, for me.
it's Cassper. Oh!
Yes. Nice one, Refile.
Beauty!
Esawona siphi. Nice one.
Yeah, pull! Oh! So what's all that? My dog? Yini felile njaka. Hey! That pass good day.
Refile usashota ka-2 noma 3 nyana ntwana.
If you are.
Eh.
When you attack this match, when you have to call for it. My keeper sit there. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Carpo.
Sesitukorile waninyani.
Nice one, nice one. Nice one, Lisa. Hey, offside. How that be offside? One that's goal, man. Just to share the soul from the wound. Yes, you see it.
Useless player. Useless FIFA play.
Number 5. Oh
No, man, now how do you miss that one?
Oh, how could I miss that?
Yeah.
Tatizi, umashwe. Ushuru mwanamne.
Useless FIFA player.
After the corner. Arbitan. Alright.
You're gonna lose again.
You have got a problem, man. Like, I can't hear losers. Hello?
And then you're gonna lose again.
Hello? I can't hear. I can't hear losers.
You're gonna lose again. Because you're useless, Capo.
Let me end this live.
Alright, my brother, I've got a problem. I can't hear losers, man. Bye bye. Goodbye. Alright, footstep, done. Bye bye. Bye bye, yeah, man. Fuck off. Marnawa, Marnawa, you know, say, how do you switch up on someone? Now, you're a Kaput fan. You're a Kaput fan. Now you've changed in your head. Your team lost. Kaput your team. You lost. 4-1. 4-1 in the exam. Now, put check.